Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. Firstly, find Tools folder, click on it and choose Recorder app. Now select Agree and Continue, tap on Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon on the left, and in order to end it and save it, click on the track mark on the right. Now you can discard your recording by choosing this bin icon, but you can also name it and save it by clicking on the track mark. As you can see, my recording is here. If you wish to play it, you can do that by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, choose delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!